Hey guys, how are you today? This is Risa. I hope you're all doing fine. Today is a beautiful, gorgeous day. The sun is out and the weather is warming up. So that's always a good thing. So today I'm just here with a short video because I made some observation and I got something to say as always. I would like to know, what is more important in Jamaica? Is it the crime? Is it getting rid of crime or have people wear masks? Which one is more important? Getting rid of the crime that's killing the people, innocent people, or people wear masks? Because I have seen videos and pictures of police patrolling areas, patrolling the streets for people to make sure that they're wearing their masks, to ensure that they are wearing masks. I don't see them patrolling the neighborhoods where all the killings and the murderers are taking place. Because I know they know these neighborhoods. They know the bad neighborhoods. They know where they're hanging out, mainly. Where the gunmen, the murderers, all the criminals, they're in specific neighborhoods. Those are the neighborhoods that need to be patrolled and curfew and search in order to get rid of the crime or to minimize the crime. Not patrolling innocent people about mask wearing. Get your priorities straight, people. Government. You need to get your priorities straight. You need to work on the crime. Crime is killing more people than you can even imagine. If people are not dead, they're injured and seriously injured. The hospitals are so full. So you need to prioritize yourself and get the criminals off the street. Yes, we know that COVID-19 is bad and mask is supposed to be worn to ensure people's safety. Right. Not that it does anything, but this is not that video for that. This video is not for all of that. This video is just for me to ascertain whether mask wearing is more important than getting rid of crime or diminishing the amount of crime that's taking place on the island. That's what I'd like to know. Because all the police are out in their full gear to arrest people and harass people about wearing the mask. And I don't see them harassing these criminals that's running around with their big AK-47 and their Glock on their hips and walking about freely, harassing people, killing people, murdering left, right, and center. I don't see videos of them patrolling areas, making sure these things stop. This is what they need to do. They need to get together, formulate a plan that pinpoint the bad areas, the areas that are out of control, and then they can go in and patrol that area, clean it up, clean it out. This is what they need to start doing. And start hanging people again for murder. Brutal, insane murder. You need to start hanging people. When these young boys and killers and murderers know that they will die, they will be hung, they will think twice. At least I hope so. They will think twice about committing these heinous crimes. They are doing the country a disservice. Jamaica is being known as the crime capital of the Americas now. And that is not a good thing. That is going to impact tourism. Tourists are going to think twice about coming to Jamaica now that they hear the crime rate has escalated. They're going to be scared witless. I want to come to Jamaica. I am scared. I'm still coming though. But I am scared of the amount of crimes, the news that we get here about the crime that's happening in Jamaica. There's like over 300 people dead already, and it's only 3 months of the year. What is going on in a little island like Jamaica? This is crazy. This is crazy. Is this the in thing now to kill people? Just to go around and kill innocent people? Y'all need to stop this. This is just nonsense. You're making things worse on yourself and worse for the public. You know, next thing, what they may have to do, the Prime Minister may have to do, the Prime Minister may have to send for help from another country, from Europe or America. He's going to ask for help to come in and clean up these areas. Even though they say the politicians are part of the problems, they're part of the problem because they're the ones getting guns for these killers and murderers and criminals. But they may have to get help from America or Europe, or if the people cry out enough, help will come and clean up these areas, clean them out. You may have to start building new prisons for them. Something has to be done. It is too volatile in Jamaica right now. The air is stagnant. It's not good. People are complaining left, right, and center about the crime. The crime is just out of control. Jamaica is such an awesome, beautiful island. Damn, it's really, really awesome. You guys live there. Y'all don't understand how beautiful it is, how awesome Jamaica is. And so you have to preserve the island that you call home. And just make it a better place where people can live in peace and harmony like it used to be. When I was a child growing up, nowhere to me like Jamaica. And I still love Jamaica wholeheartedly. So please, let's all try to do better and preserve the dignity of our island. And let people from other islands talk about us, how cruel, how barbaric we are, because we are not. We are really loving, kind people. It's just that, you know, you've got a few bad apples that spoil the entire barrel, and those apples need to be eliminated. All right, guys, I'm done ranting. I'm done talking. So, subscribe to my channel. You know, you can always hear other rants that I have. But have yourself a fantastic day. I'm drinking my coffee. And I hope you all enjoy yourself, the beautiful weather. I hear y'all in lockdown this weekend. But it's life. When we have lockdown, we lock down. So anyway, guys, subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, guys. Take care.